So today we will go for like multiple table queries and the queries which is for two more than one table over there. So to perform join include more than one table in the from class. So in the from class, like select from, so you have to mention how many tables you want to join. If you want to join two tables, so you have to mention both the tables over there. If you want to join three tables, you have to mention three tables over there, and as many as you like. And so how you gonna separate from each table? You just need what? You just need a comma. Only comma is needed over there. See, so comma is needed to separate it from one table. For example, table 1 you have it, okay, and then comma table 2 you have it. So this is like a separator between these two, right? Table 1 comma table 2 comma table 3, and you can carry on. So also possible to use an alias for the table name from the from class. Okay, so sometime because table names are longer, so you can replace with a nickname like A, B, C, anyone, so that you can easily remember and there is less chances of mistakes over there. So alias is separated from the table with a space. So space is used for what? For separation of the table with the alias over there. So we will see some examples and then we will elaborate it. Alias can be used to qualify column names when there is a ambiguity. So to avoid ambiguity, so that if there is a two columns in the two different tables and they are same, okay, so you can instruct the SQL that I mean this column in this table and I mean this column and this table over there.